How to fix cannot connect to App Store error on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix cannot connect to App Store issue on your iPhone or iPad. So if you are facing this problem, don't worry. It's easy to fix. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first open the settings app on your phone. And here, if you are using Wi-Fi, simply tap on Wi-Fi and select your network and simply tap on forget this network, and after that you can simply reconnect to the Wi-Fi and try again. And if you are using mobile data, you can go to the cellular and switch between 3G, 4G or 5G to see if it helps. And now with that, let's move forward to the another step, that is to enable background app refresh. So in settings, simply scroll down and tap on general. Now in this section, simply scroll down and tap on background app refresh. And here make sure it's turned on to allow apps to update properly. And after that, let's move forward to the step 3, that is to set date and time automatically. So to do that, simply go back to the general tab and from there simply scroll down and tap on date and time. Now here simply enable set automatically to ensure your device syncs with Apple service correctly. And after that, let's move forward to the step 4, that is to disable any VPN connection. So if you have connected VPN, simply go back to the general tab and from there simply tap on VPN and device management. And from here you can simply disconnect it. Sometimes a VPN can interfere with the App Store connection. And with that, let's move to the step 5, that is to reset network settings. So simply go back to the general tab and from there simply scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Now here tap on reset and then select reset network settings, and this will refresh your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data settings. And after resetting the network settings, you can also restart your iPhone or iPad, and after that you can open App Store and check if the issues is resolved. And that's it. By following these steps, your Apple Store connection problem should be fixed. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.